Everyone, welcome to Click for Knowledge. In today's video, we're going to see how we can change our YouTube channel name. For that, you need to go to Studio. You can see the channel name as Click for Knowledge. So I'm going to change this name into Click for Knowledge Malayalam. So for that, what I need to do, go to Settings, click on Channel. So here you can see Click for Knowledge name here, right? So you need to click on Google settings, Google account, because it's linked to our Google account. So click here, change the name to Click for Knowledge Malayalam. I'm manually typing the name. After that, save. So you can see that this is reflected as Click for Knowledge Malayalam. Click on settings. Now click on channel, advanced settings, go down. If you go down, then you can see the manage YouTube account. Click on that. The window will appear. Now you can see there is an account called add manager account. So click on that, and after coming to here, you can edit account info. Then click on the name, change the name here. So you need to change the new name here. So I'm putting as Click for Knowledge Malayalam. Save the file. Okay, go back. Now what you need to do is to refresh the Google Studio. So if you refresh it, now you can see the name has changed to the new name, which is Click for Knowledge Malayalam. Right, you can see here as well as it's Click for Knowledge Malayalam. Now I'm going to the settings, click on the channel. Now you can see here the name is already changed to the new name. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.